So I'm just going to follow the same format as I did in yesterday's video. So first we have E, the combination E and A. E, ya, a, e, a, ea, e, a, ea. And an example of this combination appears in the word hopea, which means silver, like the metal or the color silver. Hopea, 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 ea, hopea. Or in idea, meaning idea. Idea, idea, ea, idea. Then we have the combination E and I, which just on its own, e, ya, e, just on its own means no. A, 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 no. Or in a word, for example, wall, which is seina, 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 a, seina, seina, a, e, a. Then we have e, ya, o, e, o, eo, eo, e, o, which together appear in words such as geografia, geography, geografia, geo, eo, eo, geografia, ja, ideologia, ideology, ideologia, ideo, eo, ideologia, ideologia. Then there's e, ja, eu, 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 like EU in English too. It would just be EU. You would say it separately though. But in a word where you'd pronounce them like eu would be, for example, euro, so euro. Euro, euro, euro. Ja, ajoneuvo, so vehicle. Ajoneuvo, neuvo, ajoneuvo, neuvo, neuvo, ajoneuvo. E ja eu, eu, which would appear in words such as ylpeys, so pride, ylpeys, eu, ylpeys, eu. You can kind of say them like first separately if it makes it easier, like eu, ylpeys, eu. And another word would be pimeys, so darkness, which is pimeys, eu, pimeys, pimeys, eu, pimeys. Kind of just break it down and say it kind of syllable by syllable, and then slowly you can kind of combine them more and make it go faster. Ja, a, e, a, ea, e, a, e, a, ea. Eli häpeä, so like shame, häpeä, häpeä, ea, häpeä, 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 ea. E and ö, which I confess I had to use the one link that somebody in the comment section last time gave me, where you can kind of insert letter combinations, and it'll give you a list of words that they appear in. And the only word in the entire Finnish language, according to this website, that has the combination E and Ö is a compound word, jäteöljy. So like garbage oil. Maybe there's a better translation for that, but jäteöljy is like trash oil. Jäteöljy. And it's compound, so you kind of have a pause in between e and ö as well, so you're not like saying it as directly as these other words. So it's not exactly but it's jäteöljy. There's kind of a pause in between, so it's not exactly an sound, but jäteöljy, 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 And finally we have the double E, so e, ja e. And together in words, it would appear in words such as anteeksi, which is sorry, anteeksi, anteeksi, e, anteeksi, 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 sorry. And for example, jean, which would be geeni, so like jeans like in your body, not the pants. Geeni, geeni, eni. So yeah, sorry I look a little rough today. I actually didn't sleep last night, not for lack of wanting to, and because of that my eye is kind of twitching, and my eyelid is kind of twitching. Hopefully it wasn't too obvious. But yeah, that was just a quick recap of part 2 of my vowel combination series. So this was E, so we went over e ja a, e ja I, ei, e ja o, eo, e ja u, eu, e ja y, eu, e ja ä, ä, e ja ö, ja e ja e, ea, ei, eo, eu, eu, e. Sorry I keep looking at my notes because I have them like written down here, so just to make sure I cover everything. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was useful, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time.